Reinstalling a frontal wig can get messy. However, if you do what I did in this video, I promise you no one will know the difference. So I started off by tinting the lace because it was a bit lighter than my skin tone. I used a bowl cap method. You can just use a normal wig cap. So to ensure that I can see what is happening in the front of the hairline, I smoothed down the hairline first by brushing it and then coming through with a wax stick and then a blow dryer. If you don't have a blow dryer or you don't want to use a blow dryer, you can also use a hot comb just to flatten and smooth down the front of the hairline so you can clearly see what you are doing. So once that is done, I'm using micellar water just to remove any oils or residue on my forehead so that the glue can stick. And I'm just readjusting the wig just to see where I want it to lay. So you'll see me lifting it up on the sides just to see that it's in line with the bowl cap, in line with my own hairline. Once I'm happy with how the hairline is, how the wig is sitting, I'll move it back and then I'm gonna use glue. I'm gonna be going in with 3 layers. So this is the first layer that you see, and I do not wait for it to get clear. It does get a bit clear, but I think I wait for it more to get tacky before I go in with the second layer. So this is now me going in with the second layer, and I put it just in front of the stocking cap. Okay, and then I also use a comb just to smooth it back into the hairline, into the stocking cap. So you smooth it back, you do not smooth it down. Using hair dryer on cool, I'm just making sure that it gets tacky. So you can also just let this air dry. You don't need to use a blow dryer, but to speed up the process, I used a blow dryer. Using my hands, I move the lace onto the glue to stick it onto my skin. This is where it got messy. I mean, really messy. So what I did is, on the sides, you'll notice that I put the glue too far down, really too far down. So as I was placing the lace onto my skin, there was no glue because the glue was too far down. Can you see over here what is happening? So let's go back, let's rewind, and I'll show you what I should have done, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what I did to save this. So basically what I should have done is, when I was aligning the wig to my hairline, making sure that it's sitting where I want it to sit, I should have used a white eye pencil to create markers or lines for myself, guides for myself, so that when I move the wig back, I know where to place the glue. So let me show you what I did instead. I added a new layer of glue where the lace now sits. Okay, and then the old glue that was in the front was now dry, and but before I did that, I went ahead and placed the lace onto my skin using a combination of my hands as well as a comb. And then to remove that glue, because now there's still that glue that was too far down, I used oil or the glue remover to remove it, and I was thorough with it. I made sure to remove it with a towel. I made sure to remove any hair that was sticking on it. I thoroughly removed it, and once I was happy, I then melted in the lace with an elastic band for about 15 minutes, and this is how it looked. And I'm just further tinting the lace using the powder. I'm using compact powder. This is Essence compact powder in the shade True Mahogany, and the rest of the install is just me creating the baby hairs as well as refining the part. I decided to go with a side part, and I just used mousse and a little bit of glue gel to create the baby hairs. And this is me styling using water mixed in with conditioner, mousse, and then defining the part using the same powder. If you really love such practical, realistic frontal installs, I know for a fact you will love this next video. Please make sure to click or tap on the video in the top frame. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.